Hey guys, alright, so I'm rekeying one. Another using the keys thing, and I should be able to do this fairly quick and get it on the videos without it being a really long drawn out video. But standard two-door house rekey. And we remove the clips with our Kwikset tool. We take the doorknob and push in on the spring-loaded side, and then lever it and hold it. And while you're holding that spring pusher down, you wonder who's pulling up behind you. And pull that out. Let it go, turn it around, push it in, and center it. And make a game of it. That one didn't pop out real well, but sometimes you can pop it out and catch it in midair. So, we are keying these to a different key. And hey. Don't know who that was that went in, but sorry about being quiet. I already did that one. Yeah. Goodbye, number 171. And clipping everything back together. On the Kwikset, the hollow is on the outside. Inside has the screw holes. Oh, that is the wrong clip. This clip goes here. And this clip goes here. Okay, and again, I put this in. Use that to turn it, make sure it's fully engaged, and then when I put it back on the door, I snap the cylinder in. That way it'll be right side up. And this needs lubricant, which I'll take in anyway. So that's it there.